Hello students, today we will discuss about the essay symptoms convey. This essay symptoms forms a part of the famous novel Three Men in a Wood, written by Jerome K. Jerome. The central idea of the essay can be summed up in the popular saying, "A little knowledge is a dangerous thing." The narrator happened to read a patent liver pill particular in which various symptoms were mentioned. After reading this, the narrator assumed that his liver was out of order. He concluded that his disease was in its most virulent form and he needed immediately diagnosis. Hence, he went to consult a doctor who understood the narrator's false fear. Thus, the idea in the essay is that we should try to know something clearly and then should come to any conclusion. The essay Symptoms by Jerome K. Jerome is a very interesting essay which deals with the mental state of the narrator. It tells us in a very humorous way how the considers himself to be the greatest sick man of the world. He thinks that he has got symptoms of almost every disease in his body. When he goes to the British Museum and reads about the care of a slight disease, he is convinced that he has got typhoid, Bright's fever, cholera, gymphosis, and diphtheria. Though he is a victim of so many diseases, he is not serious at all. He considers himself to be the most suitable case of study for a medical student. The most humorous situations arise when his doctor prescribes for him medicines which can be found in cooperative store and not in chemist's shop. His illusion about his sickness is removed and he enjoys good health. The character of the narrator and his mental state are the chief source of humor in the essay. The doctor examined the narrator thoroughly. He also heard carefully what the narrator told him about his ailment, but he could not find any disease in his body except the fact that he was suffering from mental disease. According to him, the narrator needed to lead a regular life free from the tension and worries of life. He was instructed to take beer every 6 hours and go to walk daily, 10 miles in the morning. He should go to bed exactly at 11 every night. The narrator's case was not that of any serious illness. He could be free from his foolish dreams regarding symptoms and sickness by being regular and carefree in life. The author Jerome K. Jerome had an unusual fear of disease. He imagined that he was suffering from many serious diseases like damaged liver, typhoid, Bright's disease, cholera, gymphosis, diphtheria, and even gout. One day, while he was examining himself to know how long he could live, he found that his pulse rate was abnormal. It was running at the rate of 147 per minute. He then tried to feel his heart, but found that it had stopped beating. He touched himself here and there, but he could not feel or hear anything. He also checked his tongue and was made sure that he had scarlet fever. All these findings disturbed him so much that he immediately decided to go and consult a doctor or a medical man who was also his friend. It tells us in very humorous way how he considers himself to the greatest sick man of the world. He thinks that he has got symptoms of almost every disease in his body. When he has got symptoms, the British Museum and reads about the cure of a slight disease, he is convinced that he has got typhoid, rice fever, cholera, emesis, and diphtheria. Though he is a victim of so many diseases, he is not serious at all. He considers himself to be the most suitable case of study for a medical student. The most humorous